everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let us cook Pakistani vegetable food, and that is cauliflower with potato, and they called it aloo gobi. You can try it as well, and I can assure you that you will love it. We need cooking pot with oil, one big onion, chop it, chop two big pieces of tomato, then add it up and let it fry. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Prepared garlic paste in my cooking because I can keep them in the refrigerator and use it easily whenever I cook. Cover the pot or cooking pot for 5 minutes and let the oil separate from the onions and tomato just like this. And add salt for taste. 1 teaspoon of chili powder or red chili powder, it is optional. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Make sure that the fire is not so high. Keep it on a medium fire or not so low fire. Once all the spices are well mixed, add the potato. I cut the potato in a small cube sizes, but it's up to you if how do you want it to be. It's up to your preference. Then mix them well and cover it for a while. Let it be cooked for at least 2 to 3 minutes. If you have green chili, you can add a green chili, but it is optional. But adding the green chili can add up taste as well and aroma. After 3 minutes, it will be like this. Now it looks everything is cooked, so let us add the cauliflower. I used 2 medium size of potatoes only and 1 or half kilo of cauliflower. After adding all the cauliflower, mix it well, but be careful not to spoil the vegetable or the cauliflower. Now, let us cover it for a while, 3 to 5 minutes, in a medium or not so low fire. Don't add water. Let the natural water comes out from the vegetable. After 5 minutes, it will look like this. Now, our cauliflower and potato is now cooked. Let us add the final touch of adding the taste, and that is the garam masala. Garam masala is a mixture of zira seeds or cumin seeds with black pepper. We are grinding them both together and put in a jar so that we can use anytime we want. Now our potato with cauliflower is ready for eating. It is very economical and healthy vegetable or food. You can eat it without rice or anything or roti. You can just eat it as it is, and it's very delicious. Try it so that you will know as well, and I can assure you that you will really love it. Thank you so much for watching.